We will tell you the 10 tips that will help you to get rich even with a low income. We have also added an extra tip as a bonus in the end. So watch this video till there. Now let's start. Number 1. Develop a budget. Developing a budget on a modest income necessitates self-control and astute financial strategizing. Begin by monitoring your earnings and expenses to gain insight into the destination of your funds. It is important to prioritize your income and allocate a significant portion towards essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and food. It is recommended to allocate 10 to 20% of your income towards savings and debt repayment, while another 10 to 20% can be set aside for entertainment and miscellaneous expenses. By eliminating unnecessary expenses, exploring additional sources of income, and making smart investment choices, you can steadily build your wealth. Make wise spending choices, establish a safety net for unexpected expenses, and enhance your knowledge of personal finance for better informed choices. Number 2. Acquire fresh expertise. Acquiring new skills is a wise choice for securing your future, even when earning a modest salary. It can lead to more lucrative job prospects. Picture the potential for career advancement within your current company by acquiring new skills, or even the possibility of securing a higher-paying job elsewhere. Having a higher income enables you to increase your savings, pay off debts more quickly, and accumulate wealth. It is crucial for escaping the cycle of low income. Fortunately, learning is now more accessible than ever. There are numerous online resources available for free. Platforms such as YouTube and Coursera provide a wide range of courses, covering topics from coding and data analysis to marketing. Local libraries frequently offer complimentary classes and resources. By dedicating yourself and prioritizing in-demand skills, you can enhance your skill set without spending a fortune. If you want to know more financial tips and lessons, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Reduce your expenses. Living on a modest income in the US can present challenges, but by implementing savvy strategies, you can certainly reduce expenses. Manage your expenses using a complimentary budgeting app. This will help identify areas where you can reduce expenses. Making small adjustments, such as cutting back on daily coffee shop visits, can have a significant impact on your finances over time. Embrace the joy of free entertainment. Libraries provide a wide range of resources including books, films, and events. Discover parks, museums with free admission days, or consider taking up hiking or biking. There are a plethora of enjoyable activities just waiting to be explored. Preparing meals in your own kitchen can be a significant method for cutting costs. Discover cost-effective recipes and strategize your meal planning based on discounted items. Take into account generic brands when shopping at the grocery store. Consider canceling costly subscriptions that you seldom utilize. Number 4. It's important to prioritize saving money. It is essential to save money for various reasons. It offers a safety net for unforeseen circumstances such as medical expenses, vehicle repairs, or unemployment. Having a solid financial cushion allows you to navigate through challenging times without accumulating debt or experiencing unnecessary stress. Having savings can give you the freedom to pursue your goals. Just imagine the possibilities of a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a pleasant retirement. Saving is the key to making those dreams come true. It provides a feeling of empowerment and independence when it comes to your financial future. Managing a limited income in the US calls for resourcefulness. Manage your expenses using a complimentary app to pinpoint areas where you can make reductions. Every little bit counts. Save money by preparing tasty, affordable meals in the comfort of your own home. Consider exploring additional sources of income to increase your earnings. Just keep in mind that saving money can really add up in the long run. Set up an automated system to save a small portion of your paycheck regularly and witness its gradual growth over time. Number 5. Make sure to spend less than you earn. One of the key principles to building wealth is to ensure that your expenses are lower than your income. Spending all your monthly income can undermine your financial situation, regardless of your earnings. To ensure the growth of your net worth, it is essential to have a surplus of funds each month that can be allocated towards investments. Saving more money will help you accumulate wealth at a quicker pace. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, the average personal savings rate in the U.S. was 3.9% in May 2024. To make significant progress towards becoming a millionaire, it is advisable to strive for a higher savings rate. It is recommended to save at least 15% of your income. As your income increases, it can be tempting to succumb to the allure of lifestyle inflation. However, by maintaining low costs in the long run, you can increase your savings over time. Embrace the practice of saving and investing when you have some extra room in your budget. Number 6. Consider allocating your funds towards more high-risk investments. To achieve a $1 million net worth, it's crucial to make your money work for you, rather than just saving it. Putting all your funds into savings accounts, money market accounts, and bonds may seem appealing, but the returns they offer are unlikely to be sufficient. To increase your net worth, it's important to be open to taking on additional risk. Certain investment options, such as stocks and index funds, have the potential for higher returns but also come with increased risks. Number 7. Consider investing in real estate. Investing in real estate is a widely recognized method for achieving significant wealth. If you have the necessary resources and are willing to invest your time, engaging in home flipping or becoming a landlord can be a valuable strategy for increasing your overall financial worth. You could take debt to purchase properties or try out REITs. If you have specific objectives in mind, you might consider expanding your property portfolio gradually. If you choose to rent out the properties or sell them for a profit, the increasing equity in these properties can assist you in reaching a 7-figure milestone. Number 8. Consider exploring new job opportunities or transitioning to a different career path. If you aspire to achieve great financial success, it is crucial to be transparent about your employment status. There are situations where your current job or industry may not be sufficient. For many workers, the most significant salary increases often result from transitioning to different employers or even exploring new industries. Consider exploring different options for making a switch. For instance, one could consider enrolling in a course or obtaining a certification to enhance their chances of securing more lucrative employment prospects. When considering new job opportunities, it's important to remember the value of negotiation before accepting an offer. Number 9. Choose the ideal life partner. When it comes to securing a prosperous financial future, finding a partner who shares your goals can be incredibly beneficial. Working collaboratively as a team can help accelerate progress towards success. Number 10. Create an additional source of income. Just by switching jobs, you have the opportunity to significantly alter your financial path by creating an additional source of income. When you have additional funds at your disposal, you have the opportunity to work towards your financial objectives, such as increasing your savings or expanding your investments. Creating passive income streams can have a significant impact on a limited salary. Although they may not result in immediate wealth, they provide an additional source of income that gradually increases over time, helping you achieve financial independence. Picture yourself making money effortlessly, whether you're sleeping or working your regular job. Having some extra income can help you pay off debt, increase your savings, or just give you more financial flexibility. There are numerous methods to delve into generating passive income. We have made a specific video on all the best passive income ideas that could earn you extra cash. Click on the video appearing on the right side to watch it, and also subscribe to our channel to know more amazing financial tips and lessons that could make you rich easily.